Take 3.
I installed these Blink cameras on stucco. So, what you gotta do is you gotta find out where you want it, and then it comes with these bases right here. And so you gotta drill screws in there. But like if it's wood, you're good, you know. If it's wood, you're good. But if you have stucco, you need some anchors. So you gotta drill holes big enough for the anchor can fit in there. I got these little anchors, these stucco anchors.
They come with it?
No, they don't.
No, they don't?
I had to get them from my garage.
Oh, okay.
And so what you got to do is mark where you're going to drill the hole. So this is what I did. I put the, let's see if I didn't even do it again. I put the little mount right here, and then I hit both holes with the drill, like so, like that and like that. If you can find a marker that's thin enough that can fit in there, or whatever, a screw, a nail, whatever you can do, so you can mark where the holes are gonna go. So what I did is I just drilled it with a drill, and so once you make those holes, try to make them. Well, my drill bit's a little bit small, and so I kind of went over it to make it a little bit bigger. Which what you got to do is now you gotta put these anchors in there. And I have a nail right here. I mean a hammer, and you just kind of, hopefully it goes in there. Yeah, there you go. So I got one in there, and then I have another one right here. You just gotta kind of force it in there. Make sure the hole's not too big for the anchor, because then there'll just be no point. It'll just be loose in there. So it's gotta be kind of tight when it goes in there. Okay, so once you do that, then you can put the screw, you can mount it. Okay, so once you do that, then you can see. What I don't get is why the hell are you recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh, crazy.
Yes, I am. Let me get back on this chair.
Okay. I should have got my GoPro.
Shut up.
Okay, just start turn it off and turn it back on. Okay, so this is the little mount that it comes with, and so what you gotta do. See, I don't get why the hell Blink put this one on here, but I guess it goes with it. I guess to move it away from the wall a little bit to give it some space. But I don't see why they couldn't have made it together. Cause like this, I guess it's supposed to hold in here. There's like these little plastic things, but it doesn't hold. It just falls off. So what you gotta do is you gotta kind of see. It's gonna be really tough to.
Your hand's covering your puppy.
It's gonna be really tough for me to put a screw in there and like for it to hold in there. I mean, it won't be like super tough, but it just makes it a little harder. All right, so sticking my screw in there. Screw in there. I mean, this is not the hard part. It's actually easy. And then so what you gotta do, you gotta drill it in one of those holes right there. Can you see that?
Yeah, look.
This is tough because of the angle that I'm in. Shit.
You're not the only one. Oh no.
So finally got it. So this doesn't really have to be leveled because this little head just kind of, you can move it around, so you don't have to be straight. So then you go ahead and do the other side, which I probably shouldn't have made the other side tighter because it might be harder to do it. Shit. See, what I did is I didn't even match up the holes really good, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. So what you gotta do is you gotta drill it in one of those holes. And then so what you gotta do is you gotta put the screw in there, and then so missed. Anyhow, that's how you mount it.
Oh. Okay.
So she's trying to attach it on there, but because I think I might have put it too high. It's on there?
I think so. Should I try pulling it off?
Yeah. Oh. So you gotta kind of press hard on there.
Actually, no. Sorry.
There you go.
I'm just trying to put it at an angle so I can see what I'm doing.
Press hard on it. You want to do it?
Oh, I got it.
Okay, cool. That sounded like it was better. So we attached it on there, and right now we gotta see what it looks like on here.